Hello and welcome everyone. Today in this video we are going to do unboxing for ESDDI tripod, model number TP-35. Let's see what's inside, what is the features. Is it good for the beginners or for advanced photographers? We'll see everything. Be prepared. Alright guys, so I'm going to open the box, which arrived through Amazon Prime. Let's see how it looks inside. Okay, back below. There's our tripod. Interestingly. Let's move this stuff away. Here's it. Let's see what's inside. Oh, this is nice. Tripod bag. First thing, the mobile holder for the tripod. And there is nothing else. Okay. Just a manual, just to give you the instructions how to use it. And now there is the tripod. Come with me to see clearly. Now let's talk about specifications for this tripod. The material built from is aluminum and plastic, but actually what I see built from aluminum just the 3 legs. Okay, the rest is built from plastic. Everything, yeah, is built from plastic, this part, and even the middle leg built from plastic as well, but the 3 parts or 3 legs built from aluminum. Alright, about the folded height for this tripod is 60 centimeter, and the length of it reaches up to 170 centimeters, so I see this is very good. And about the weight of it, which important point, is 1.25 kilogram, so it is light. About the most important point, which is the load. The maximum load for this tripod is 4 kilogram. So don't expect, if you have equipment more than 4 kilograms doesn't suit you, don't go for it. But in my case, I always put in my safe side. If this load is 4 kilogram, I put it as 3 kilograms to be in the safe side actually. Here you can see there is handle. It's really nice. And here the axis, you have this axis like any tripod actually, nothing new here, but just I'm showing you just in case you want to know something about it. This to get the height. There's it. It's long enough. And my advice, guys, when you use this handle to hire the tripod, it's better not to be loaded. Don't put your camera, then you make it high or down like this. You just, if the camera is already on it, you can just take it slowly, because this arm built from plastic as well, so if it's heavy by time it would break. So but it doesn't mean that it's not strong. It's okay. I give it 8 from 10, so it's okay. And the other point, and the most important one, is the legs here. It has rubber set. Those rubber legs, they are very cool. It's really nice. About the extend, when you extend, it's really easy. It's really easy to extend. And what else? Nothing else except this part. The mobile holder, actually, it's lovely that they sent it with a tripod. You're gonna use it not just with the mobile, you can use it as well with your GoPro camera. You can use it with if you have like gimbal, you can fix a gimbal on it, because it has a good feature. As you see here, here's a female screw, and as well on this side, so you can use it in both sides. Let me show you how is it. You can fix it like this, or you can fix it like this, so you have the two ways. So this is really nice part, really nice piece coming with the tripod. That's all about the tripod. I hope this video will be useful for you guys, and if you like this video, I wish to give me a like. If you don't like it, dislike straight away. If there is dislike, just subscribe on our channel, Hitch Collections, so you'll get all the new videos, and see you soon with another review. Thank you very much. Bye bye.